Hey guys, my name is Tana and today we are looking at the EV platform of the BMW. So this is a motor that's in a BMW. Oh, Con, your mic.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you, thank you. Is it pair ready or not?
Wait, open. See?
Yeah.
Check, check.
Yeah, it's checked. Okay, so Con.
Yes.
So I was talking to the guy from BMW.
Yeah.
The guy over there.
Yeah.
They are from the training division.
Yes.
And this is like a motor of an EV.
Correct.
Let me walk you through what is here. So this is the top of the motor, and this is the inverter. The inverter's purpose is to convert the high voltage battery into a manageable volt, which goes into the motor, which is all the way here. What's cool is on top of this there is a cooling system, and that comes to our first point: maintenance of an EV. What actually happens? So there was a post I saw on BYD's
Yes.
BYD or I think BYD the owners group.
Uh-huh.
And I was saying like, oh, I went for a service and
Yeah.
I had to do my brakes, I had to do my cooling system, I had to do my gear oil.
Yeah.
And I was thinking about what about BMW? BMW is quite unique because BMW, as your normal IC cars, lifetime. No, not just lifetime.
Yeah.
It's unserviceable lifetime.
Ah.
There is no serviceable component here
Yeah.
on this gearbox because on this drive unit.
Yeah.
So if you look below here, this oil sump, this
Yeah.
sump here,
Uh-huh.
it's like a mechatronic for your gear.
So inside there they got oil one.
Yeah. So if you can imagine, this is your motor.
Yep.
Motor is dry.
Yep.
Okay. But the motor has got two gears, low and high.
Yep.
Okay. And then over here, when the gear shifts, there's like a mechatronic unit here, which shifts the gear. So there is a physical gearbox somewhere here,
Correct.
and the gearbox is oil.
Well, this seems to be where the
This is your
output shaft.
output. So this is correct. This is your, so to say, your drive shaft comes out here.
Yeah.
And this is your typical drive shaft.
Drive shaft all
all
seal.
seal bearing.
Yeah.
All the bearing is there. You can see that the bearing.
Yeah.
Can you see that? Wow. Cool.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. BMW really.
Yeah. And you can see the gears inside there. Okay. The gears actually here.
Yeah.
You see the teeth here. Yeah. That's the gears. And that's pretty much it. Self-contained unit. Now there's some cooling stuff happening here. If you see,
These are the wires. These are wires.
these are the wire connectors.
Wire harnesses,
This is
right?
the inverter. This is the three main line that goes in. And there's some cooling on top.
Yeah.
There's some cooling below. And that's pretty much it. So if you apparently you get the iX or iX3 or
i5.
or i5, whatever, they've got a medium, small, large.
Extra large. Yeah.
Extra large.
Yeah.
Medium,
Yeah.
large,
Extra large, yeah.
Correct. It's so small, I know.
Yeah.
And depending on what you get, you might get one bigger one in the back, a smaller one in the front, and then you have over there the battery.
Yeah.
So battery's kind of cool also.
Apparently there are 10 modules.
Well, on this particular version, this is from a smaller car. This is I think iX3 or
iX3.
iX3. It's a smaller vehicle, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 there.
And then 2 here.
And 2 here.
Yeah.
And BMW, in its infinite wisdom, as a performance car company, the two that's heavier are in the back because they push the weight
Yeah.
up and up behind. And then over here, where is it? Cooling.
Cooling.
You saw that?
Ah, right. So this represents the actual
This is the actual
floor
training.
pan of the car.
Yeah, correct. This is the actual bottom of the car.
Yeah.
That's it. This is the bottom of the car.
So it's about this thick. The whole thing is about this thick.
And if you to give an idea how thick these are, it's about what, 10 mm?
Yeah.
See, all the metal is 10 mm. That's how thick they are. Very thick.
Solid stuff.
So yeah, cooling.
This one, right? This look like
So the bottom of this part
Yeah.
and the bottom of those bits there,
Yeah.
the whole entire bottom section,
Yeah.
there is a pathway for the coolant to go through.
Yeah.
And these are low pressure cooling vents. I think if you pull this,
Yeah.
pull the step, this thing just pops out.
Yeah.
And a small pump there which keeps the battery cool.
Because apparently these systems, they don't run as hot as an ICE engine. So you don't need as severe cooling compared to a combustion engine. But you still need to cool lah.
Correct, because these are like alloy aluminum. These also work to cool the car down. And if you see here, these are your points to secure the car. This battery pack, once it's enclosed, water can't get in. Apparently, once it's installed, they do a vacuum test to make sure there's no leak.
Yep. So it's all contained in a vacuum.
This technically will float because there's the air pockets inside. And this over here, these are your, it connects to your BMS.
Yeah.
And you'll know the state of health of each cell.
So you can see the way it is put together, right? It's all designed for easy removal.
Yeah, so these are the points, positive and negative.
Yeah.
See that, negative. This is a third battery, negative. Third battery, positive. So positive there, negative there. No way they can cross lead. And they're all marked, wherever there's high voltage, they're marked in this orange color. That's how EVs and hybrid works. Very cool. Very, very cool.